comments that say like, my leg, yes, but also like, Raniel, say Raniel. I don't know who that is. And people always ask questions like, are you and Regina actually dating? Yeah. Do you actually have a crush on Regina?
Oh my God!
And I don't know. The answer's no, is what I always say. But the big secret is that I've been lying to you guys for the past couple of years, and I actually do have a crush on Regina. And when she comes back out, I'm gonna tell her in front of all you guys.
That's right. Hard launch.
What?
That's a hard launch.
Yeah, I mean, should I like propose?
Oh.
Okay, but that's the thing. Okay, don't tell her. That's how I feel about Regina. I have a crush on her stuff, but I don't know if she has a crush on me. So when she comes back out, what do I tell her? Like, what do I say? Like, I can't just be like, oh, hi Regina, I want to kiss you. Do that? No, I can't do that. What if she denies me in front of everybody right now?
She might very well reject you in front of everybody here. How sad would that be? Oh, sorry. I meant to say, you got it.
Okay, I'll tell you the secret too, okay?
I want to know. What is it?
I'll tell you.
What's the secret, guys?
It's the socks. You're supposed to wash socks every day.
Oh my gosh, I'm so confused.
What do I do? Okay, Regina, I'll tell you.
Tell me right now. Daniel has 6 toes? I didn't know that. He has fungus? What's happening right now? Daniel has nasal problems? What are you doing?
I guess I'm gonna sing a song. DJ, hit it?
We just stick together.
lyrics trying to say, bro?
Did you listen to the lyrics?
Yeah, birds of the I don't know. Just help me. I feel awkward. I don't know what to do with my hands, please.
Okay, but did you see the pictures up there and everything?
Yeah.
I guess what I'm trying to say is that those lyrics are like how I feel about you for the longest time, and that's how I feel. So hold this. I was wondering, how do you feel?
Right now, in front of all my friends.
Yeah.
I guess I feel like I.
Oh. Yes or no?